Welcome to Yushin's product videos. This time we would like to share with you a demo video that we presented at FUMA Japan held from June 4th to 7th, 2024. This time, Yushin exhibited its PA-20 palletizing robot. This is the most affordable model in a series of 3 models. It has a payload capacity of 20 kilograms, including the robot hand, and a throughput of 10 pieces per minute. Although this video shows only the palletizing scene, this robot is also capable of depalletizing, also at a speed of 10 pieces per minute. Why don't you automate your factory with Yushin's palletizing robot?